In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Stape.io account in just a few minutes. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Stape homepage. Once you are there, look for the sign up option and click it. This will take you to the registration page where the account setup begins. The first thing Stape will ask is your server location. You'll need to choose between global or EU. This choice is important because it determines where your data is processed and helps with compliance, especially if you need to follow GDPR rules. Pick the option that matches where your business or users are mainly located. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up using your email address and password, or you can use a faster option like signing up with Google or another supported social login. Either method works fine, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. After that, you'll be asked to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. This step is required to continue. You may also see an option to receive updates or marketing emails, which you can enable or skip based on your preference. Once you complete the sign up form, check your email inbox for a verification message from Stape. Open that email and confirm your address to activate your account. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. And that's it. Your Stape.io account is now created and ready to use, so you can start setting up server-side tracking and managing your configurations efficiently.